University Sonic Boom of the South. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a new day in the Sonic Boom, and we're laying a new legacy to our rich traditions. Let's welcome the J4 Drum Majors. They are Joe Rogue Dynasty Williams III, Tyler Mr. Blue Fry Battle, Leon Mr. 704 Soto, and head drum major Abraham the Prodigy Dusty. This critically acclaimed band is the defending Honda Battle of the Bands champion, the HBCU band of choice, and this year performed in one of the nation's most popular tourist spots, Las Vegas, Nevada. Fans, it takes countless hours to produce the crystal clear, pristine sound that you are about to hear. No, Jackson, we didn't wake up like this. Artistic, multi-dimensional designs will unfold before your very eyes while the boom plays No Crime by Babyface. The Jackson 4 Drum Majors, still the baddest in the land. There it is, M for the great state of Mississippi. Check out the musicianship and pageantry from the Sonic Boom. It's no crime to be this good. By popular demand, the thrill of a billion eyes will captivate you with a high-energy routine to Sam Sparrow so lovely, those back-kick J-sets. We be turned up. Tiger fans, if you turned up, get on your feet and wave those pom-poms. Turn it up, boom, turn it up. Tiger fans, you know what time it is. J S U JSU rocks the house. All right, fans, on this all-time favorite, Listen Valley, packing back to the Delta. Go home, go home. Behold the massive sound of the sonic boom. The director of bands is Mr. O'Neill Sanford. The director of the marching band, Mr. Roderick Little. The associate director, Mr. Lowell Hollinger. Assistant director, Mr. Chan Leggett. The director of the